Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2. First, understand the core objective. Eliminate the opposing team or complete a specific mission. You will choose to play as either a counter-terrorist or a terrorist. Each side has unique goals and weapons. Familiarize yourself with game modes such as competitive, which is 5 versus 5, and casual, which is 10 versus 10. These modes offer different experiences and team sizes. Next, let's cover movement and aiming. Use W, A, S, D for precise directional control. Always aim your crosshair at head level. This significantly increases your chances of securing one-shot eliminations. Remember to crouch and walk to minimize your footsteps, making it harder for enemies to detect your position. This also improves your weapon accuracy while moving, giving you a tactical edge. Now, let's talk about weapons and economy. At the start of each round, you'll purchase weapons and utility items like grenades. Managing your in-game money is crucial. Wisely invest in better gear as the game progresses. Each weapon has a unique spray pattern, so practice controlling recoil to land more shots. Mastering this will greatly improve your combat effectiveness. Finally, teamwork and strategy are paramount. Always communicate with your teammates using voice chat or the in-game ping system to share vital information. Develop strong map awareness and learn common callouts for key locations. Coordinating pushes and defenses with your team will create strategic advantages, leading to more successful rounds and ultimately, victory. Work together for success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.